Well, here we are. Hey, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel. Hey, look at this. I didn't realize it had this on there last night to this morning. Run an intro. Welcome back to Blue Bike and Doors channel. Well, now me and my glides. Well, me and my glide. And old X is up. Finally rolled out of bed. Yeah. It's like it's 10:30 in the morning.
Yeah, I'm finally up.
This is my little buddy.
Yeah, man.
Little buddy. you know, you meet somebody we met off of YouTube, and then the build a friendship off of that. I mean,
yeah, man.
I mean, it's like, I be honest with you, that's the way it worked. I mean, yeah, see, rich old people park everywhere, park right in the road. I mean, just because they got a fancy car. Do not park loading docks. Right there, you know. And then they give us no parking. No parking. No parking. Parking for Facility of Dale Gap Motorcycle Customer Rally. Tree of shame. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's warmed up pretty nice. Food was good at the breakfast place. Bacon and eggs and sausage and toast. Mistress enjoyed her stay. Except for my little problem with the switch this morning. We'll see you in a few. You know, I follow the rules, so, you know, when I see something like that, it says, please, I just gotta touch it. Alright, we fixing to leave. We're gonna run Cherry Hollow. So, stay tuned. Still doing it, huh?
Yeah. Say a prayer and hope for the best.
So we had to change plans because nobody knows what a bunker is. We headed straight back to the house. Okay. Except next Blak ICE night crawler's not doing too good. We gonna hopefully try to make it back. That's what you call, you gotta do a shakedown mode. That's why I wanted to come up here on the Mistress so I could shake her down. Woohoo! That was scary. Dang old gas truck on my side of the road. I like your britches around your knees. I just enjoy riding beside water. Don't like riding in the water, but I like riding beside it. Mountains on one side, water on another. There's the dam here, Harrison Ford jumped off of, supposedly. Oh, let's do a time and temperature check. It is 61 degrees. Gravel right here. We eat there last night. Pretty good. Pricey, but good. I don't mind finding a little pricier price for good food. More water. Could sit outside, but we didn't. Here. Oh, water, boy, you see it coming off that mountain right there? Look at it, boy, look at it, look at that. Pretty. Well, we here in Coosa, Georgia. They fixing to, I brought them all the way around this way, and we fixing to, we separating now. We got gas and all like that. And I gotta put a clutch in. I forgot to reset my mileage, so I'll reset it now. I don't know. I rode from yesterday where I got gas in Robertson to here on a tank of gas. Brett, Blak ICE on Nightcrawler. This morning I told him put it in reverse and run it around 1 or 2 times, make a loop around the park, and it ain't caused no more problems since then. But there they go. Here I go on another. That's a song somewhere. That's, I don't know. So how many miles I got? Oh, I got, it says, well, I don't know what it says. It don't know where it's at. It's having a brain fart. I've had a bunch of those here lately. 39 miles, so it was right. It just wasn't ready yet. I might turn that down where you can hear me. Somebody beat me, I don't know. But so far, I mean, other than the lock, whatever I did last night and tumbled my locks and this, and it was a stressful night last night. But the hotel was great. I don't know if I mentioned that. I don't know what I'm turning my blinkers on for. I'm going to push that. Excuse me. So we left up there at a little after 11:30 or so, 12, almost 12, I guess. I didn't look at the time. and it's 4:08 now, and I've gotta take me an hour to get home, give or take. So we're gonna see you on down the road, and well, I'm gonna do you something else. Make me think about it, and I'll tell you something. I'm gonna tell you my mileage on this, so I should have 430 something miles. That's not a bad little stretch, an overnight ride. I got to ride up to Dale's Gap and Tail of the Dragon. Didn't ride the last 10 miles of the Dragon, but it counts for me. She did good. Mistress did good. You know, I wanted to get her out and make sure to, you know, stretch her legs, see how the road strip, and get ready for her next big ride is Ride 22. Go check out Mr. Mustache up there and ride for, I think he done changed his name to Ride 22 and 22 for all the information. All like that, but you know, you know where to find them. That's in May. This is March, almost March 20th. So, we'll be marching into April, and April showers bring May flowers, and then middle of May is when we was just talking, we might try to go back up to do a 3-day weekend or a 4-day weekend up to Tail of the Dragon and stay up there in Cherokee and do a lot more riding. They missed a bunch. We could do well, we can make that whole loop. That's what we do. I didn't think about that. Ride up to Cherokee and then do the loop like we done before, over the mountain, around the world, and back across, and did that, and go to Maggie Valley, go to Bridal Falls. There's just so much good riding up there. That's why it's my favorite places to go is the North Carolina, Tennessee mountain range, East Tennessee, West North Carolina, and all. But we'll plan that and see how it goes. I'm ready to go back now, but that's how that is. Got taxes coming up. Yeah, I'm going to pay $2,000 to Mr. Trump and his cabinet and the United States government. I would think death and taxes. Oh, Lordy. He is mighty. Yes, sir. I'm sleepy. I can't stand. I'm doing all that. Don't be doing that. I'll sleep through the night probably. Get a shower in my own shower. Sleep in my own bed. I feel like sleep in my own underwear. For some reason I was thinking like I didn't wear nobody else's. Oh well, TMI. Anyway, yep, we'll get on down the road. Get on down the road. We on the road again. Gonna stop by and see roll up with T-Bone. But he probably be up there sodding the grass, seeding the grass, and getting ready for soccer. That communist sport, soccer. Nobody plays football no more, baseball. Anyway, go check out that video there, that one there, and hit that subscribe button over there, and go check out Blak ICE. I don't know Brent's thing, but I don't know if I can add them or not. Anyway, we'll see you down the road. Later.